Hi, my name is Christina Burgart, and I'm a trial coordinator with Syngenta Flowers. Today I'm going to walk you through the new 2027 Garden Mom tools developed to support variety selection, comparison, and overall planning. The tool is designed in Excel, so you can access it on your desktop, in a browser, or on your phone or tablet, allowing you to use it wherever you're already working. The tool is designed to be user-friendly, so it has filters and tabs to help you navigate your different options. The tools are developed to complement the Garden Mom catalog and support better planning. So we'll start with the variety selection tool, which is kind of like a digitized fresh all fall table, except all in one tab. So you'll begin by selecting your production method, whether it be natural season, black cloth, or spring. Then selecting your state or territory. And then the tool will automatically assign a region to your state or territory selected. If you'd like to view the map to see where the geographic regions are, you can click that link and then jump back to your selections when you're ready. If you're growing in natural season, you'll be required to select a ship week. And then the tool will dynamically display all the varieties within our assortment that match your desired selections. There are additional optional filters for color category, flower form, Yoder select, family or group, bigger pot sizes, and response weeks. The second tool is the comparison tool, which is kind of like the at a glance tables in our older catalogs, but it has all of our varieties in one centralized location. So we'll jump to the comparison tool. So you can select and compare up to 4 varieties. So you can pick varieties in the selection tool and then jump to your comparison tool and see all varieties side by side. So what's nice about this comparison tool is that you can see the images of the varieties, links to our website and availability, and then of course see all the detailed technical information about the varieties on the bottom. And last but not least, there's the drop and substitution tool, which is similar to the discards and substitutions table at the back of our catalog, but this tool has the drops and substitution data from 2024 through 2027 in one place. So you can begin by selecting the production method that you'd like and a dropped variety, and the tool will show you some recommended substitutions along with their photos to compare how the drop varieties and the substitutions look, and links to our website, and of course the same technical information as in the comparison tool. So these tools are designed to be complementary to our catalog, and just like our catalog, they're supposed to be a starting point. So of course, connect with your Syngenta Flowers technical representative for more information, and always trial these varieties in your growing conditions. Check out our website for our complete assortment of Garden Mom varieties and for additional technical resources.